Morning, I am Shriyanka Mahapatra from Rourkela, Odisha, and the title of my project is Usage, Wastage and Conservation of Water, a case study in the Steel Township of Rourkela. The main objectives of our project are to calculate the amount of water wasted in the Steel Township of Rourkela, to make the residents aware of the wastage of water by them, and to suggest some methods for the conservation of water. For this project, first of all, we arranged interviews with some officials of the water supply department to know about the process of supply of water to the township. Then we prepared a questionnaire and conducted a door-to-door survey of 53 quarters of 5 different sectors. These quarters were of different types, ranging from 1 bedroom to 3 bedroom. While distributing the questionnaires to the residents, first of all, we explained them the method of calculating the amount of water received as well as the amount of water used for different purposes. And while collecting back the questionnaires from the residents, we discussed with them about the wastage of water and suggested them some measures to prevent the same. According to the officials of the water supply department, water is pumped up from 2 rivers and supplied to the township. A total of 27 mgd, that is 27 million gallons per day of water is pumped up from the rivers Brahmani and Koel. Out of this, 20 mgd is supplied to the Rourkela steel plant as well as the steel township. But if we exclude the 4 mgd that is supplied to the steel plant, we can know that a total of 16 mgd of water is supplied to the township. But as per our survey, only 8.6 mgd reaches. This means that 7.4 mgd, that is 46.25% of the total supplied water, is wasted on the way. This is indeed a huge amount. So we try to find out the causes for this wastage. The two most important causes for the wastage of water on the way are illegal tapping of water line in the slum areas and leakage in pipelines and junctions. Thus, from a survey, we could know that 8.6 mgd of water reaches the quarters. But this water is also not used completely. Out of this, only 5.03 mgd is used. This means that 3.57 mgd of water is wasted in the household level. Leaking taps, continuously running taps, then overflow from overhead tanks, etc. are some causes for this. But the most important cause for the wastage of water in the household level is lack of awareness. Most of the people think that usable water is a never-ending source. So they don't care whenever they see an overflowing overhead tank or a leaking tap. Moreover, the average number of family members of the household surveyed by us was 4.7. Most of the parents are working and children go to school. But the water supply timing coincides with the working or sleeping hours of the residents. So it's not possible for them to check the wastage of water due to overflow, running taps, etc. So from a survey, we could know that a total of 10.97 mgd, that is 54.85% of the total water supplied, is wasted. This is indeed a huge amount, so we have suggested here some steps to curb this wastage. Creating awareness is the most important step for this. People should know that usable water is not a never-ending source. Moreover, float valves and inflow valves should be installed in overhead tanks so that they can prevent overflow. Taps with modern technology should be used. In this way, with these few simple steps, we can prevent the wastage of water to a large extent. So let us join our hands together and conserve water, for indeed water is life. Thank you and have a nice day.